Today's video we are going to be unboxing the February Birchbox. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you are all doing fabulous today or tonight. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the February Birchbox. So yes, I've had this 2 days. I think it's come really late. It's like, what is it? So yeah, it's the 14th, and yeah, I got this 2 days ago. So I got this on the 12th of March, and this is the February Birchbox. Why can't we get it in the month that it belongs in? I find that so annoying. But yes, I am going to open this up and we can see what's in this month's. I haven't really been obsessed with these boxes since they started back up. Yeah, they haven't been great, so I'm not really holding out much hope. But yeah, let's take a quick sneak peek. This is inside. We have the edit card, so that is just telling me that yes, this is the February box. Unbox love. It has some of the products on there because obviously we have a little tiny choice every month and we can choose a couple of products out of them, so yeah. But yeah, that is a sneak peek there. That's actually looking okay, if I'm honest. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Just got my phone here and it's just telling me prices. So this is £17 per month. You can have a rebillable 3-month subscription prepaid, which works out at £16.50 per month. Or you can also have a rebillable 12-monthly subscription prepaid, which works out at £15 per month. I will link everything down below in the information box for you. I can't remember if I have any codes or any links that get you money off, but the information will be below if you want to check it out. Yeah, let's get in here. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So back to the edit card. I'm just going to read this little tiny bit here. I'm not going to read all of it, but it just says, love is in the air this February and we're focusing on energy and self-care and beauty indulgence. So the first product in the box we have is this. So this is actually by BirchBox. It's their brand. It is a microfiber hair towel. Treat your hair right with our BirchBox microfiber hair towel designed for gentler drying. It's quick drying material, absorbs water efficiently, reducing drying time by up to 30 minutes. The superfine micro towel is softer than regular towels, minimizing effort and friction for smooth frizz-free locks with less product needed. Okay, cool. Let's have a look. I love these kinds of hair wraps, hair towels. I swear by them. I'm getting myself quite a little collection, which is great. Oh, this feels really nice. It really does feel nice. So we have the little BirchBox logo-y tag thing there. So the button goes at the back of the head, and then yeah, that's quite a nice length too. Perfect for me in any way, and very pretty colour. Okay, yeah, I can get behind this. This is a product I am definitely going to get lots of use out of, so awesome. Second product in the box and on the edit card is this. So this is by the brand Real Hair and it's a matte liquid lipstick. This lipstick expertly angled wand allows you the perfect precision during application, and the luscious jojoba seed oil, shea butter and vitamin E help condition your pout. After applying, allow up to 30 seconds before pairing with your favourite lip liner and gloss. Okay, so what shade is this in? The shade this is called I Will Succeed. It is a nude shade. There it is there. Okay, that's actually quite a nice shade. I am going to just take this gloss off and we'll put this on to try it out. So that is the shade there. Very nice shade, I must admit. Let's just do the top lip. There we go. That is what that looks like on. And there's the swatch. I really do actually like that shade and would look even better with a slightly darker lip liner on and then smudge it together. Right, that's drying down. We're going to see what that's like. Normally I'm not a fan of liquid lipsticks because I hate it when it dries down. Most of them get sticky and then the middle bit goes weird, which this one already is, look. Oh. Okay, maybe later on when I try it out properly, if I can whack some lip gloss on it, that might be able to save it. But it's a handy little size for the handbag if I can figure out how to use it nicely. But that there, that's not it for me. Third product in the box is this. It is also on the edit card. So this is by the brand Percy and Reed, and this is Hold It Right There Stronghold Hairspray. So this is a deluxe size. There's 50 mils in here. I have about 4 or 5 of these in my drawer. These do make the rounds. This brand and this hairspray makes the round in many beauty boxes, so definitely not something new, but it is a canny little hairspray and I do enjoy using it. So at least I've got another one. It can go in my drawer. It will come in handy at some point, I suppose. Perfect handbag size if you want to take it on the go with you. I do love Percy and Reed's packaging. I think it's so cool, different from other brands out there. Would be really nice to get a different product by this brand. Really would be nice. Right, so I've now got 3 products left which aren't on the edit card. So I think we choose 2 products a month, so I don't know why the 4th one isn't on the edit card as well, but whatever. So the 4th product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand This Works, and it is a stress check mood manager. So this is definitely not a product I've chosen because I have hundreds of these and I wouldn't choose yet another one if I'm honest. I'm getting a bit sick of these now, although they do smell okay. Yeah. It just says here, motion activated aromatherapy spray to create soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. They are quite nice, but I'm just so sick of getting them. Let's just remind myself. Yeah, that is a really nice scent, but I think I have about, I don't know, 9 or 10 of these in my drawer. So the 5th product in the box we have is this. This is by the brand Rodial and it's Vitamin C Brighten and Cleanser, Brighten and Renew. So this is one of the products I chose to go in my box. When I saw Rodial, I thought I don't care what size it is, it's going in my box because really awesome brand. Love vitamin C and yeah, a nice brightening cleanser. So yeah, that is cool. There's 20 mils in here, making it a deluxe mini. 6th and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand, is it Forgive Me Susie? Never heard of that brand before. And this is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Dancing Queen. So it's kind of, I don't know, is that dried up? How old is this? I do not know. But let's give this one a little swatch. Can you see? Oh, clumpy. Oh, is it supposed to be like that? So that's it there. It actually pairs perfectly with the liquid lip there. So let's just smudge it out a bit. So yeah, that is it there. Okay, yeah, it's very nice. Have to test that out on the eyelid, of course, and let it dry and set and see what it's like after a few hours of wearing it and see if it creases or not. But what a beautiful shade, guys. So this is the February Birchbox. Very late in the month of March, but here it is. What do you think? Personally, this is one of their better boxes since Birchbox started back up again. It's not a fantastic box, but compared to the other rubbish boxes that we've got from them, it might as well be fantastic. Put it that way. So yeah, really chuffed that I could choose Rodial as one of the products to go in my box. So obviously did that straight away. The liquid eyeshadow is very pretty, and that's set now. Yeah, that's set and it's not moving, which is great actually. So yeah, I'll have to try that out. Really sick of getting these stress check mood manager spray things. Them and the pillow mist. Oh god, got so many of them, it's unbelievable. The Hairspray, I am sick of getting them too, because we get them all the time in the different beauty boxes, although not as many of you get as many boxes as I do per month, because obviously I get them to unbox on my channel. But yeah, they do the rounds a lot. And the liquid lip, that looks awful. Ugh. Yeah, that liquid lip is not doing it for me. I really like the colour. Other than, oh my god, lips keep sticking together. Yeah, the microfiber hair towel, awesome. Put one of them in my box every month because I get loads and loads of use out of them. But yeah, overall, compared to the other boxes we've had since I started back, this is freaking awesome. For a box in itself, it's not bad. The sizes, I don't know. I mean, obviously we've got one full size product, which is the hair towel. We can't get a deluxe size of that. The other products are very small. Yeah, it doesn't get a thumbs up, it doesn't get a thumbs down, it gets a what do you think? Comment down below. I'm gonna subscribe for a few more months. Hopefully the boxes get better and better and better. Fingers crossed, we can only hope. But yeah, if I feel like they're not, then I don't know, I might unsubscribe. All depends how many views I get from a video as well, to be honest. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.